Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tankman from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the visor on his helmet. Draw a vertical line here that's slightly curved at the ends. Now a line across the top here. Next, draw the right side now with a line down. Now along the bottom, draw a line up, across, and back down like this. Then connect the bottom on both sides. Next, follow that same curve on the visor on the left side. Now from the top, draw a rounded rectangle shape for the top of the helmet. Then the same shape down on the right side. This line should come down slightly lower than the line on the left. Let's draw the opening for his mouth now. In the center, follow that same rectangle shape here. Now a line out to the left, and a longer one out to the right. Now draw lines down on either side. And then connect them at the bottom. Let's draw the mouth inside now. Draw two diagonal lines inside here. And then connect them at the top and the bottom. Now inside on the left, draw a short line across. Next, outline the outside of the mouth like this. And then under, draw a curved line for the chin. Let's finish off the helmet now. On the left, draw two curved lines down. And a curve down on the right. Then close it off at the bottom. Next, draw a curve under the helmet here. Let's draw the right arm next. Draw a V shape with a straight line at the end downwards here. Then draw the top and bottom of the arm out to the right. Now draw an S-curve across for the top of the hand. Then a curve down on the right side. and at the bottom a curved line in. Next, draw the knuckles of the hands with a wavy line down like this. Then close off the hand with the curve. Lastly, draw a small triangle inside here. Next, on the upper arm, draw 2 upside-down V-shaped badges. Now draw the left side of his body with a diagonal line down. And then a curve across to his hand. Let's draw his legs next. Draw a sideways C shape here. Then curved lines down and inwards on both sides. Draw the outside of the right leg now. Then the shape of the foot like this. Now draw the side of the left leg with a step line down. And then finish off the other foot in the same way. Then add some triangles inside for shading details. Let's draw his left arm now. From the bottom left of the helmet, draw the top of the arm like this. Then come out slightly and draw a large curve down to the leg. Now a diagonal line for the bottom of the arm. Next, draw a large circle here for the microphone. And then a curved line under it. Now add some detailed curved lines inside. Let's finish off the hand now. Draw a small curve here. Then leave a gap and draw 2 J curves down. Now on the left, draw 2 bumps down. And then one more curve across to close off the fingers. Then draw another curve over to the leg here. And now draw 2 bumps down to the right of the fingers. And lastly, add a small line inside here. And that's it for Tankman. Let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.